Okay, this is 5-2, bisectors of triangles. There's two vocab words, concurrent, which means 3 or more lines that intersect. So here's an example. And the point of concurrency is where the lines actually intersect. So the middle point right here, that would be your point of concurrency. So we have 4 points of concurrency that we're going to focus on. 2 of them, numbers 1 and 2, are going to be in this section, and 3 and 4 will be in the next section of our notes. So today we're going to focus on circumcenter and incenter. The circumcenter is formed by the perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. The incenter is formed by the angle bisectors of the triangle. The centroid is formed by the medians of the triangle, and the orthocenter is formed by the altitudes of the triangle. So a circumcenter, it's formed by perpendicular bisectors, and it is equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. So what I've drawn so far here is the perpendicular bisectors. I bisected each segment, made sure that they were perpendicular, and where they all met was at the point of concurrency known as the circumcenter. If we have an acute triangle, the circumcenter meets inside. If we have a right triangle, the circumcenter is on the hypotenuse. And if we have an obtuse triangle, the circumcenter is outside. So the second part of a circumcenter, what we know about it, is equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. So I've marked this in green on my drawing. From each vertex, like from A to the circumcenter, is congruent to C to the circumcenter and B to the circumcenter. Every vertex to the circumcenter is congruent. Okay, so an incenter is formed by angle bisectors, and it's equidistant from the sides of the triangle. So what I'm going to do right now, you can label your triangle ABC if you want to. I'm going to start with angle A, and I'm going to draw an angle bisector. So it's going to split angle A right into 2 congruent angles. And then I'm going to do the same thing for angle B and then angle C. And where all of these angle bisectors meet is called the incenter. So go ahead and do that. So the second part of the definition of incenter is that it's equidistant from the sides of the triangle. So drawn in pink there, I went from the incenter to each side, the shortest segment that I could, which means it's going to be perpendicular. These are all equidistant, therefore they're congruent, so it's more information that we can get just by knowing where the incenter is.